Now, this air mask is the business, guys. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this DIY avocado air mask that I am definitely going to be doing more of. Yes, today this was my first time trying out this air mask and I absolutely love it. I used some bananas, avocado of course. For the oils that I used, I added Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil. I also used honey and aloe vera gel. So I'm adding the bananas to my mini blender. I'm going to now scoop the avocado in. Yes, it's preferable for you to use very ripe bananas and very ripe avocado just to get the most of the nutrients that is going to be adding to your air. I'd like to run you through some of the benefits of the ingredients of this air mask. First, I'll be talking about bananas. Bananas are beneficial to our hair because it helps to moisturize our scalp, it helps to promote hair elasticity, it prevents dandruff, it helps also to protect your hair against split ends. And some of the benefits of the chief ingredient of this mask, which is our avocado, is that it helps to prevent the hair from drying out, it prevents the hair also from damages and controls hair loss, as well as just making your hair feel soft and lustrous. And for this honey that we added, oh my god, the honey is good for your hair growth. It helps to condition your hair, it adds shine to the hair as well as moisture. It helps to improve moisture level of your hair. For this air mask, as you already know, I used olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil as well. These two oils are known for helping to moisturize the hair and promote hair growth. They also help to add shine to your hair, of course. Judging by the array of ingredients in this air mask, guys, you can tell that was a key determining factor to my selection of ingredients, guys. This is because I'm on the road to having manageable natural hair, guys. If you've been watching my video from before now, you can tell that I have extremely thick and coarse type 4 hair, and I struggle with keeping my hair moisturized. Hence I'm trying out different things. I'm trying to inculcate different regimens that would help me to have more manageable hair, more soft and lustrous and shiny natural type 4 hair. This is the goal, guys. Like, I'm not big on the length of my hair or to grow thick hair. I already have thick hair, but what I'm basically concerned about is having manageable hair. So my goal this year is to make sure that I am able to figure out what it is that my hair requires or needs to keep moisture locked in. If you have any suggestions as to DIY hair masks that I can use that can help improve moisture in my hair and generally help my hair to feel softer, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be willing to try it. If you know any products specifically, maybe any deep conditioning hair mask or any hair moisturizers that you think I should try out, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to get my hands on them and let you know how it goes. Okay, but for this hair mask, guys, I love the outcome. Like, my hair felt so soft. I didn't even have to do too much throughout the week after this hair mask, you guys, and my hair still felt relatively soft. You want to try it, trust me, you really do want to try it. Here we go. This is the final product of our hair mask, and I'm going to get right into applying the hair mask. I just washed my hair like about an hour ago, so it was slightly dry, and I was just spraying in some water so that the application will be a lot easier and seamless. Trust me, I don't know what it is I was saying here. Straight into application, you guys. Can you see my curls appearing to be defined? Like, I was looking like, hey, now my hair is this my hair? So I'm applying this in small sections so that I can get as much of the hair mask in my hair as possible. So I'm just raking in the product. Can you see my hair? See the curls, guys. It was mesmerizing. Okay, see curls, see coils, see curls, see coils, see curls. You can tell that I was excited by this. And after applying, I just twist that section in up onto the next section. Just raking it and carefully detangle with your fingers, and just make sure that all of your hair gets the love from this hair mask. Yes, every part of your hair needs this hair mask, guys, so be generous with it. You might be wondering why I used this already made or this packaged aloe vera gel. What had happened was I could not find aloe vera leaf at the supermarket, so since I had this gel lying around my house, I decided to use it instead because it claims to be natural aloe vera gel. So I used it, and well, because I've not used aloe vera on my hair before, I can't tell whether the difference, but generally this hair mask works its magic for my hair, and I'm definitely going to be doing more of this as time goes by. I must have been trying to tell you guys to get up on the train and use this hair mask, guys. See, can you see? Can you freaking see it? You guys, you need to try this hair mask. Come back and let me know what you think, okay? done applying it all through my hair, what I had to do is to put my hair in a plastic bag and then use this my hooded eating cap, and yeah, put it up for like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and I was done. And I went ahead to rinse it off, and this is me after rinsing out the product from my hair. And yeah, that is it. See you on my next one, guys. Bye.